Due to the fall, human beings came under Satan's dominion and formed a hellish world. Jesus came as the second Adam to bring Satan to submission and establish the kingdom of heaven. In the first worldwide course to restore Canaan, the central figure was John the Baptist. His life was so exemplary that many people, including the priests and Levites, wondered whether he might be the Messiah. God encouraged the Jewish people to believe in John through miracles surrounding his life. Yet, John the Baptist harbored doubts toward Jesus, even though he had testified about him. He asked Jesus, "Are you he who is to come, or shall we look for another?" John denied that he was Elijah, even though he in fact came to fulfill Elijah's mission. This not only blocked the Jewish people's path to Jesus, it even led them to oppose him. Consequently, the first worldwide course to restore Canaan was aborted. As was the case in Moses' days, it was prolonged to a second and then a third course,